Dude, the fact that I can pretty much Phillips this whole bitch off is hilarious.
So what are we doing now?
Taking off this whole shit.
We're getting rid of
Whole shit.
the front end. Yeah, so we're getting rid of his front end. Because we're going Silvia front. So if anybody wants to buy these pop-ups,
I feel like they'll be sold. I feel like they'll be sold by the end of tonight. Honestly, like legit. Sadly, sadly.
So hit them up. Got the hood off. Got the saw. Cutting it all off. We got to take off the fenders, the bumper, the lights, and yeah, that's pretty much it, huh, Christopher?
Yeah.
Close enough. So most of you might be wondering, damn, this car is fucking clean.
Lucky me.
It's really clean. So
Fucking lucky.
fenders aren't rolled. Like fucking unrolled fenders. Nice paint. And we're getting rid of them because we're going fucking big flares, big fenders, wide wheels, fucking crazy hood, yeah, you know, fucking regular scumbag shit, huh, Chris? But we're struggling now because we can't get rid of the fucking fenders.
What's going on?
Fuck. About to finally get rid of these fenders after fucking hours of trying to figure out how the hell they mounted them on, and a bunch of strip bolts and a bunch of bottom end damage.
Yeah.
You should show them the other side.
Bottom end damage. What do you mean? The fucking corner?
Where the fender was at, where we had to straighten out.
I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if there's enough light. Ugh. But fucking destroyed.
Whoever previously owned this car,
Fuck you.
obviously couldn't
Fuck you.
couldn't jack up the car and ruined basically everything down there. But got the fenders off after I don't even know how long.
It's been a fucking minute.
It shouldn't have taken that long.
No.
But
Max, it should have been
like
30 minutes.
yeah. But since we had to literally hit it with,
I think we've been out here for like 2 hours now.
we had to hit it with a hammer,
Yep.
and then spikes, and then like a chisel.
Yeah, like spikes like this.
Yeah, cause that bottom end is just ridiculous. And then we couldn't even get this bolt out.
This fucking bolt doesn't even want to turn. Will it come out now?
It makes no sense to how.
Look, it still doesn't want to fucking come out.
It's like stripped,
What the fuck?
but it's not stripped.
Ooh.
So it really doesn't
You
make.
son of a fucking bitch.
It doesn't. I don't know. I guess it's just a charm, a lucky charm. But
Finally, dude.
But yeah,
Finally.
we were on this bolt for like an hour.
45 minutes, yeah.
Like an hour trying to
About.
hit it with everything, and then we decided, you know what? Let's keep the mounting point. Fuck the fender hole. And that's what we did. We got rid of the fender. Like, we had no choice but to like break off that one little piece. God forbid. And yeah, now we got that done. And I guess we're getting closer to our goal of swapping over the the front end. Yeah, so next, pop-up lights. Which should be an adventure because I have no idea how they go off. And we don't know what the hell we're doing.
Nope. G'day.
What are you doing?
Fixing my turn signal because I turned my lights on too hard.
So what happens around here, we go way too hard on everything.
As they say.
So he is taking off the little mechanism. What would that be called? What's that called? I know you bought the other part. What's it called?
It's turn signal switch.
So for anybody who breaks their shit, there you go. Part number? You know the part number?
No.
Well, that's as much help as we're gonna be able to provide. That's as much help as we're gonna be able to provide, cause yeah. But yeah, so this is a quick little fix we're doing.
Oh, fuck me.
Because Chris can't turn if he doesn't have his turn signal. He's just been driving in a straight line this whole time because we don't break the law around here. We don't break the law around here.
Around here.
We always just go straight. No turn signal. No nothing. We don't go left or right. We just go straight.
Nope. Angle kits? You mean straighteners?
It takes him 4 hours to get home because he doesn't make any left turns or right turns. He has to go straight. He has to find a way.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. Can't fix it. We'll see you guys next time on another episode, and hopefully we have another car, so see you guys.
Yeah, so you got to throw the whole car away because we can't fix that.
Yeah.
So if anybody wants a 92 S13 coupe,
Yeah, just hit us up. 1000 OBO.
500. Oh, never mind. We got it
Sorry,
off. We
we're
got it
keeping the
off.
car.
So never mind.
Okay, yeah.
If you guys want to buy it, it's 7,000 OBO, rust free, straight body. Whoa. Hold on.
Oh. Ooh. Brand new. Crisp.
It's like opening a Kit Kat.
Oh, dude, it's like opening a fucking...
Turn signal. I'd say it's like opening up a turn signal.
I don't even know what to say. I'm lost for words.
So yeah, we're gonna install it and then we'll see if it works.
Fuck yeah, let's hope.
It should be real easy because it's just 2 plugs, right?
Yeah. So.
Alright, well let's see.
So, we got the front end off finally, and all the headlights and everything, and just started to kind of mock up a little bit the headlights and see like what works, if it's all plug and play, and if something needs to be fixed, you know. So for now, we just, you know, had those. We tested out the headlights too. Those work pretty well. They're right there. Can't fucking zoom in. Right there. So yeah, and then this side wouldn't come out from that bracket. The headlight wouldn't come loose from that bracket because there is a bolt. Let me see this bolt right here. It's like super fucked. Super fucked. And yeah, we finally got it off with some silicone lubricant. We let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour and then just undid it from there, and it came off. And yeah, it's pretty much, the front end is completely off. Headlights, bumper, core support, everything, as you can tell. And yeah, now we're just waiting for fenders and headlight brackets, and that should be it. Oh, and then I also replaced my turn signal because this shit took a shit. And it fucking just completely broke off, and all my lights are just staying on. Got a new turn signal, and my turn signal extension came from Vertex. So win-win.
Alright. Fuck. Get proper tools.